Hello guys! Today I will remove the rear suspension of my ZR7000 so I can replace the shock. Yes, I broke a shock. I don't even know how I did it because I ride it yesterday and I did not hit any big bump, but on my way back the suspension got kind of lower and lower until I start hitting the bottom of the suspension on every little bump. So I will show you what my shock look like underneath the sled. So I know this is it because you can see that it's not straight, and because of the rubber boot I cannot see what is broken exactly. So I will remove all the suspension from underneath. So let's jump to it right away. Okay, so to remove it, it's very simple. I'll show you how to do it because I did it before. You have one bolt on this side right here. You have another bolt on the other side, and this is it. It's getting out. In the front is just hooked up on this bar here, but it's not bolted, it's just slide on. The only thing is you need to raise the rear of your sled very high so you have enough loose in the track to pull on the suspension and remove it. So this is the reason I'm hooked up this way, because the small jack, I have a snowmobile jack, but it doesn't rise high enough to get the loose that I need to remove the suspension from underneath. So this is the reason why I'm hooked up that way. So the box you need is 1/2 inch to remove the bolt on both sides. So you're gonna need a 7/8 of an inch wrench to hold the nut on the other side between the track and the plate. Okay, so I hope you can see, but it is that nut here that you need to hold between that wheel and the plate. So you can't take a big wrench, but you have plenty of space. So yeah, it's a 7/8 of an inch on the open side to hold that bolt or that nut. So now that the bolt is removed on both sides, next step is to raise the back of the sled at least 3 feet high, but we will know when we will have enough loose to pull this thing out of there. Something that helped is these little dolly in front, because as the back is lifting, the front can back up a little bit without scratching your floor or anything like that. It's almost off by itself, so I will rise again. Here you go. This way, it won't go forward. There you go. There you go. So here you can see how it goes into the pin in the front. So it just go in these two gap, and the 2 bolts here hold the back of the suspension. Now the only wheels that are not tight is the one in the rear, because I need to adjust the axle after it will be under the sled. So now I will rise the sled, and as you will see, it's like I removed them. I need to rise them. I need to rise it very high so I can put back the skid underneath there without too many efforts or too much efforts. I will lift it a bit higher. There you go. It's in. Now we'll crank it down a bit, because these notches here, they need to get it to that shaft. So I need to back all this thing that way. So I will lower this thing a bit so it will give me some loose. I will tie up the front of my sled on the ATV. So when I will pull on the skid, the sled won't go backward. Now it's tied up to my bike. Let's see if I can pull that down. Need to go higher than that, so I'll raise the front like that. Now we'll put something underneath so I can put the jack. Oh, there. There you go. I can put the trolley here. I'm not very far. It's this shaft here, so I will lift it a bit. And now with the jack, how it goes. I think I will have it like that. Look. I don't know if you can see, but I'm pretty much in on this side and here as well. Might not be very clear. Look. Still in, and I'm almost at my bolting point, about a hinge to go. So I'll lower down again. Maybe I can loose the jack. Can't go anywhere now. There you go. I'm done with it. I'll show you again. The U shape, it's right in the bottom. On both sides, so now I just need to reach my bolting point. This need to go here. I got two setting position. I can install it there and make the rear of the on the right a little higher, but I find that it's high enough, so I'll see which hole it's easier to bolt on. This one need to go forward, or oh yeah, at this point I will need to install my strap. The one will be on, the other one would be easier to install. I'm starting this side because the jack is in the way on the other side. There you go, one done. I can't maybe reinstall this one from here. Obviously I need to remove nuts. Can really almost do it from here. Don't get out. There you go. I will have to go the other side to put back the nuts there. Should be fine to remove the jack. There you go, bolt limiter straps are back on. You can see that they're bolt on the top of the skid there. So yeah, I will put a strap between this shaft here and the main shaft up there and see what it does. I think I will be able to do that way. Let's see while cranking that. Oh yeah, it's going a lot. So now the question is how high I put my ride. Should I put that here or here? It was here in the first place. I could use a hinge higher, maybe. It's going in now. I'll try that at this right height. See how the sled is behaving. Yeah, now I need my 7/8" wrench to hold the flat portion on the other side. Go. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.